Hello everyone, welcome back to the KMTRADERS channel. So we're taking a look at Euro USD. So what we were looking at last week were potential move towards the downside. Now we pretty much we found that opportunity and we've had a break of this low, so once more. So now if we just simply expand this trend line now to this lower high, we can see now that there is a possibility of price making a slight reversal. And I think again we are in store for a reversal at some point, because I was looking at last week, price to edge up just a little bit before we have that rollover, and again, looking back at how we saw that trend line again, as you can see where we spoke about a fake out. So pretty much we had that fake out where price broke the downtrend and we saw some rejections here, but again this was more towards the middle of the night, so we couldn't really get involved with this trade, but not a problem at all because there's lots of other trading opportunities that come our way. So yeah, again, moving forward from this, now that we've got some potential reversals at hand, and the reason that we were looking at this, we do have some divergence coming into play, so this is getting very stronger. Well, RSI divergence is getting stronger as price is descending and lower and making those lows, so I hope you can see that. But in relation to how price action is right now, I think there is a possibility that we could get price to push up higher within the 1.2 range to 1.19, and then we could have those continuations to push lower, because again, my anticipation for this pair is to take out 1.117 or even 1.16. So either of those two levels, I think we could get into this level. So another few pips down, a good 100 pip or so, and then if we get to 116, it's a good 200 or so. But yeah, as price can push lower and lower, that's where I think we have that ability to go for. And so for this week, we could expect price to make some sort of reversal or recovery from the high time frame pushing lower. So yeah, that's pretty much where we stand for this week. Again, it really just depends how far price does push up higher, so it could just go up a little bit and then roll over. Again, it really just depends, but we're just playing around this 1.2 area to this low, roughly at 118. So within this area we've got all this price action to play with, really. So for now I'm quite confident with this in terms of looking for a downside opportunity, but that shouldn't also take your mind off of any buying opportunities, because that is still available to play. Again, this could still easily push up and rally up another 100 pips or so, 70 or 80 pips. It really just depends how easy it is to get in on a counter trend. But like I always say, trading with the trend is usually easier in my opinion. So yeah, we'll see how price plays out over the next few days or so, and pretty much this is where my thinking is for the price action to flow over the next few days or so. So yeah, so that would be all from us. If you are new to this channel, we do have a trading group that you can join, and that link is in the description. And of course, if you have any other questions, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. So thank you very much for listening, guys, and we'll see you all in our next video.